Buying a home without cash down? Sounds impossible, right? But in 2025, zero down payment mortgages are opening doors for millions of Americans. For many first-time buyers, the biggest roadblock isn't monthly payments. It's saving up for a large down payment. Fortunately, several lenders now offer programs that require no money down, making homeownership more accessible than ever before. Top lenders include Rocket Mortgage, Navy Federal Credit Union, and government-backed USDA and VA loan programs. VA loans are designed for veterans and active military members. They require no down payment and often come with lower interest rates. USDA loans support rural and suburban buyers. If your income meets the criteria, you could qualify for a zero-down mortgage in eligible areas. Some credit unions like Navy Federal and select private lenders also offer 0% down options for qualified borrowers. Keep in mind, most zero-down loans still require strong credit, proof of stable income, and meeting lender-specific guidelines. The biggest advantage? You can move into your dream home sooner without waiting years to save for a down payment. But remember, higher monthly payments and mortgage insurance may apply. Always compare options carefully. To learn more about the best 0% down mortgage lenders in 2025, visit MortgageTune.com. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more home loan tips.